Nithengio muno mwirori John mwina wahu wa Kamau ni gukorwo mukinjikiria mwaro mwena uyu ungi na ni riu ngoro ngikira kiratu giki kia wonjoria ngoro ngimenyithia mwirori uria wonjoria watinda ukigarira nie njitikaga Mbui wa Gakibe. Nero tukoro tukimurika maria tukuhaririirie na ni ati kambuni ya uthondeki wa nguo ya Rivertex no iguthii na mbere na gutherema niguo kugacirithia uruti wayo wa wira na gukinyaniria ikiro cia kimabũrũri. Ũũ ni thutha wa mũrũgamĩrĩri wa kambuni iyo Paul Kurgat kuga ni maguthii na mbere na kugacirithia kiganda giki niguo mũrĩmi wa baba athii na mbere na ũrĩmi ũyũ.
We are making a lot of progress. We anticipate that by end of April we will have finished modernization, and therefore we'll be able to translate the production from 5,000 meters a day to 40,000 meters a day. And that also translates to raw material. We also require 100 bales per day. From the previous, now we are using only 10 bales per day. So there's a lot of need for the raw material. And when we modernize now, we'll be able to ensure we have productivity. We also have efficiency. And also we have high quality products that we'll be able to meet local and international demands.
And we are here following up on the money that we have appropriated to this institution, both from the loan that they got and also from Exim Bank and also from the Exchequer. And I think in total is about 6 billion. In total is about 6 billion shillings. And we are here to see whether there is value for money. And we have gone round. Of course, we are going to make a report as to whether there is value for money. But going by what we have seen is a total transformation of an institution that was once moribund, an institution that had been run down, but right now it's up and running. We have seen the police uniform is being done from here, right from the raw material up to the finished, up to the fabric, and then of course then the fabric is taken to NYS.
Nari mwiroreri tukirikia tugitigana na ripoti yo tukoro tukimurika ingi ciegie Uchumi Supermarket na ni ati uriukio wa uheani wa motungata hari duka ya wendia wa indo cia hamwe ni Uchumi Supermarket waya gukinyanira angikorwo wendekithia wa bodi ya kambuni ino ni ugukorwo ukihituka hari mendekithia ma bodi ino ni metekirite kwaranĩria ringi na kambuni iria ira maradora thire kuria marenda makoro makiongererwa mahinda ma kuriha mathire maya ona kuri uguo mibango ino ya kuriukia kambuni ino egukinyanira wona metekira mendekithia maya ma kambuni ino iria koretwo mathire-ini ma kimbeca gwa kahinda karaihu thutha wa kuremwo kuriha mathire maya ma indo mishara na marihi ma nyumba. Tukakihoka ati Uchumi Supermarket ni gukorwo ikiriukio ringi aria akahinda kau gaitu aria twana ikurira niturameririkana wega muno kuu nikuo twathia shopping ya gucoka cukuru ya back to school na riboti yo ni iretetekeria tukorwo kimenya uria ciringi yatinda igicenjanio nengi. Ngona he mundu rajuria kai ukiri wali tondu wali uhoro wa uchumi ranjira ati rakorirwo igithira muthenya ungi nona nie ngakimwira o hindi yathirire ndi wa hindi iyo na hau niho ngukorwo ngikirira gaturumo mohoro maitu ma wonjoria no ningugikorwo ngicokeria mwiruri John mena wahu wa Kamau mathi na mbere na gututereba ikereka-ini riu ringi ritu ria mohoro nie njitikaga Mbui wa Gakibe.